Order filled.
Rejected.
Hello everyone. How are we doing, everyone? Oh, yeah, it feels weird to be back, man. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Turn on some music. Fucking hell. Hell, it feels weird to be back. I haven't done this in a while. I feel rusty. Good morning, good morning, good morning, King of Kings. Good morning, Vinay. Good morning, Noah, Kehan. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Arian. Good morning, Everjoy. Good morning, Paolo. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Nightbot. Damn. Just SMT happened. Check RSI divergence. I'm thinking I'm good, bro. Damn, chat. We had a compensation play earlier. Anybody take that? I woke up and I just missed it. I woke up and I saw the charts. I was like, fuck. I just missed it. For like a few seconds. It had already dumped by the time. You took a trade already? No, haven't taken a trade yet. Hey Bard, hey. How's your day so far? Pretty good, pretty good. It is pretty good. Nothing crazy. Summer in Sweden is very nice. It's been very warm lately, so I've been outside a lot. I haven't been focused on trading that much lately. Been more focused on some other project with QTC. I haven't really sat and traded like this for some time now. Interesting. It's like KFC stopped serving chicken for a while. Ooh, that's the 30, right? That's a 30 hourly and 15 open with no top wick. It's gonna flip up, but let's see. Let me get into this analysis here. Hold on. First time you're considering getting in your private, can you explain the compensation play? I will explain the compensation play in the playbook. What's the indicator you're using? May I know what it's used for? It's called X Ghost Wickless Candles, and it's used to tell me where the wickless candles are. And I use it for my strategy, for the no player, for the compensation play. Hard to take a trade now. Playbook for community or something separate. Playbook is for everybody. Anybody that wants to learn the way I trade. Playbook release mid-June. Or mid-June, so around 15th, 14th, 13th June, somewhere there. It's not completely decided yet. But let's get into the analysis, chat. Let's not waste any more time. Alright, gold. So, what is gold doing? It seems like gold is coming back down on the daily. We have had this huge push the last couple of weeks. Huge push. And it feels like gold might come down and actually trace a lot of these imbalances it made. Right, it's made a lot of imbalances, made a lot of trade pushes. And I think it looks like gold probably wants to do that. Now, the past recently from in May, you have been in a bullish structure, which means you have made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Right, and what you did now is you broke below both of the higher lows and closed below the most recent higher low, or the first higher low, I mean. Closed below the higher low, came up, retested this area right here, and now it looks like you're coming down to break your own lower low and create another low low. That's what it looks like. So it looks like you're continuing the bullish bearish trend. It looks like a reversal. And yeah, that's pretty much it on the daily. It just looks like a reversal. So what we're gonna look for here is gonna look for sells, pretty much down all the way to around, I'd say 2013 should be good. So somewhere around these areas, I think, is the next area you'll probably reject and drive up again. So you'll do something like this, right? You come up, you come down, create a new low, come up to create a higher low, and then reject and keep driving down to fill the imbalances, right? Unless there's no war tensions or there's no geopolitics pushing price, I do think that the highest likelihood that gold is gonna, the thing that is most likely the gold is gonna do is probably just push down and retrace all the big moves we made previously. So that's the daily. Very bearish on the daily. Time frame is very bearish. We do not have an imbalance above, since this imbalance canceled out the previous one, right? There's no real imbalance above. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see the daily coming up further than this. I just see the daily pushing straight down, right? So what we're gonna look for is, now what you wanted to look for is, you wanted to look for a lower time frame reversal for a higher time frame continuation, meaning you want it to be a little earlier. Like we're a little late right now, but you wanted to catch this, for example, right here. This is what you wanted to catch during London, because whenever you see the daily is bearish, usually when you see the daily is bearish, you can expect the lower time frames to do something like this, right? Continue the trend. So the lower time frames will always make a retracement, and then after it's made its retracement, they will continue the trend on the higher time frames. So you always look for a lower time frame reversal or a higher time frame continuation. In this case, it was a continuation to the downside. So, and it's still continuing. So I don't think we're gonna really look for buys today. I do think you're just gonna pretty much just retrace, drive. I do think like gold is just gonna keep driving down. I don't see a reason for gold not to drive down. Pretty much not all the way, but below 2,300s for sure. Let's look at the 4 hour here. Yep. I mean, 2330 is gonna get tapped today, chat. 2330 will get tapped today. That is, I'm certain. You guys see it's a decision area on the 4 hour. Alright, that's the area it's looking to tap to make a decision. Look. Looking to tap that area again to make a decision, whether to go down or to retrace and go up again. But 2330 is an area that needs to get tapped before we do anything else. Seems like that's the next area. Otherwise, let's see. Last time we rejected 25 on the dot. These are the buys we caught last time. Let's see now. I guess around 20 and 19 seems to be another strong rejection area on these levels. I already broke the highs and grabbed liquidity, so you already grabbed liquidity here. But faking out and breaking the highs, so I don't really see a need to grab more liquidity. We could try the wick play. We do have a wick player chat right here. But once you break this low, you should be able to see it pushed up. Something like this. Something like this is probably going to happen. Alright, you're just going to break this wick and then you're going to push up right after. Let me draw some zones here. So this. Alright, I guess I'm happy with these levels, chat. Just this one is bugging me the fuck out. It's a weird zone. Welcome back, Bart. Thank you, bro. All right, so I'm looking to see. This is a pretty big range. Looking to see if we can divide that range into smaller ranges, and if we're getting fake outs. All right, so what I'm gonna look for here is we're gonna look for a liquidity grab above 2346.6. So we're gonna look for a liquidity grab above here. Why? Because in the past, whenever you wanted to drive down all the way to 23,300s, you did need to grab liquidity up here. You see, last time you drove, tapped the same area. Look at these. You drove, tapped this area, drove, tapped this area, but you couldn't drive all the way. You first came up, broke the highs, grabbed liquidity, and then you were able to drive all the way down. Right, so we do need that first. We do need that grab of liquidity before we drive all the way. So I'm gonna wait here for us to break the highs, these highs, and we're gonna look for some nice sells from here down. We'll look for a reversal pattern on the 5 minute and get an entry up around these areas for some sells down. Yeah, the 4 also closes in 45 minutes. The 4 did break its own low, meaning it shifted trend. So after, you guys know, after we shift trend, you do this. We're gonna look for sells above 46, guys. Sells above 46. That's what we're gonna look for. Sells above 46. Sells below 32. Probably some sells below right here. So daily is very bearish, guys. Daily is very bearish. 4 hours is very bearish. Therefore, we're gonna look for a bearish play. But if you look at the 4 hour chat, the 4 hour will close in 43 minutes, right? So what after the 4 hour close, what will it do? Well, if you just look at normal price action here, you can see that we've started creating a bullish pattern here. So we created a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? But now we have broken past the previous higher low, right? So right here, if you're about to close in 43 minutes, you're about to close below right here, below the previous higher low, which means that you're breaking the trend, you're breaking structure, right? Because now you're creating a lower low instead of a higher low. Now you're creating a lower low, and after you create a lower low, what comes next, the subsequent move is the higher low, right? So you've created a lower low. After that, you're probably going to create a higher low, right? Higher low, retest around this zone, and then continue down. So that's why we're looking for sells above 46, right? We're looking for us to grab liquidity on the lower time frames and to also make a higher low, or make a lower high on the higher time frames for us to continue down. So yeah, that's what we're gonna look for. We're gonna look for sells at around 50, 46 to 50. That's gonna be my sell area. Otherwise, if we just keep coming down, then obviously sells from below 23.38 shouldn't be too bad either. Yeah, range between 37 and 32 gets filled pretty much every single time. So that's where we're gonna look for sells. See if we have any decision areas anywhere. That's our decision area. That's another decision area. So 2 decision areas, chat. 37, 32, and 63 to 56. Those are the 2 decision areas we have. Now price is probably gonna it tapped one of these, which is it tapped the one at 23.60 already, 23.60, 57 to 60, which means that the next decision area is gonna be 32. So I'm expecting price to tap 24 or 28 down here. Maybe not 32, maybe even lower. But I'm expecting price to come down and tap from 30 to 20, that area, that 100 pip range. Because what price does is price just bounces between decision areas. Price goes to the decision area, make a decision, goes to the next one, goes to the next one, goes right. That's what it does. Price just seeks out these areas as like magnetic force. It just bounces between these areas. So since we just tapped this decision area here at 23.60, we have made a decision to reject, right? And where are we going to reject to? Well, we're going to reject to the next decision area, which is going to be down here, right? Because that's what we need to tap before making another decision. So yeah, expecting us to tap 24, 25. We did that already. I expected to tap it once again. After we do that, we could look for some, or until we do that, we could look for some nice sells all the way there. If we come up, we'll look for sells back at this decision area, somewhere around 53, 54, to grab liquidity and to make a higher low or lower high on the 4 hour. Yeah, that is the analysis, chat. What have you guys been saying? Discount for tier 3 members? Yes. Is there a price tag? Between $500 and $900, I'd say. Everybody can check gold for does a no-wick of the candle before this one still count. No, there's a what? I don't know what you mean, bro. Limits valid, yes. Alright, chat, now we just wait. Now we just wait. What? Let's see if we have any news. No news. Perfect. We have Richmond Manufacturing Index in 2 hours. Other than that, no news. Great for us. Alrighty, chat. Yo, you guys are mad quiet, chat. What happened? What happened? What happened? Are limits still valid? Yes. Bored as fuck. I'm chilling, waiting for the chart to play out and see your opinions playing out. Let's see now. Let's see now. We almost had a wick lick. We almost had a wick lick. We almost just broke the wick and then pulled back. Very close. Very close. I'm trading London session. Got 40 pips. Hey, that's fucking good shit, bro. Can I play with crypto for playbook? I think so. I don't think we're going down for long. I do think we're going down, bro. I do think we're going down at least to 23.30 for sure. I'm pretty certain we're gonna come down. Now, like I said, I do think we need to pull back first. So I do think we're gonna get a pullback above 46 to around 50 areas. But after that, we're gonna definitely come down to 30 for sure. First, we need to wait because we have a 30-minute closure here, chat. 30-minute closure, 30 minutes about to close respecting. All right, interesting. Yeah, this looks like you're coming down to fill the range up. There's a forward demand 23.35, 36. 23.35, 36. 23.35, 36. Oh, right here? Yeah. There is. But you do fill the range down to 32, right? If you look, you don't reject here, you reject down here. Just look at the wicks. You do fill the range down to 32. Alright, interesting. You got a 30-minute closure. Very bullish closure after tapping right this wick here. This was almost a wick lick play. If you broke these lows, it would have been a wick lick play, but we didn't quite get it. Going to 2,200 soon. Yeah, gold is coming down, chat. But again, we don't ever know. Something might pop up with the war, and gold might just decide to, you know, fuck you everybody, and just I'm gonna drive forever relentlessly and not care what anybody thinks, and I'm just gonna drive because that's gold, and gold usually does that. But pure price action wise, it looks very good come down. But again, I do think we need to grab liquidity up here. Alright, we got a 30-minute closure here in 1 minute. Let's see. Seems like it's about to close above the range. It should be able to fill the range up pretty easily. Or not. Or not. Wow. I don't think it's gonna... Let's see. This is this is probably have no top wick, right? Yeah, no top wick. No top wick after closure respecting. Could see a flip play here. Could see a flip play if we come down. Oof, alright, already flipped. Almost, chat. Almost got a flip play. Now you guys see how the bottom wick was so small? That's therefore the top wick was also small. Simple price action, chat. Simple price action. Price action. Dun, 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 dun. Does the flip mean you're gonna buy? And in that case, yes. In that case, the flip play, you got the flip play. But the bottom wick was only 3 pips. Right? Unfortunately, we couldn't get the flip play, but you closed respecting and made a bottom wick with no top wick, meaning after you flip, should be able to fill the range down. We're up. Oh my god. NQ compensation play. Damn. I'll probably fill the range up, chat. Most likely. So what we'll do is it'll probably, yeah, fill the range up and then it'll reject after there. And then it'll probably just come up, tap around these levels and then reject off of here as well. But yeah. It's unfortunate that we got such a small bottom wick because we could have gotten a nice flip play. This is a beautiful flip play, right? Because this wick, like this previous wick got filled as well. Right, the previous wick just got filled, meaning that you don't have any range to drive down, right? Because the previous wick got filled, so these two cancel each other out. We don't have to worry about a wick fill against us. So this was actually a perfect flip play if we got a bigger bottom wick. Confident use the JPY? Yeah. Perhaps. We need this. You need this to close first. But perhaps. Euro JPY as well. Although I'm not going to take the Euro JPY one. Because you are tapping into very strong resistance. You are very high up. Very high up. Already. And you rejected here so many times. So no, I'm not gonna take the one on Euro JPY. It's too risky. Hey Bard, do you have any recognition international broker? Do you have any recognition international brokers? My brokers insane spreads. Blueberry markets are good. Blueberry markets, your advantage are good. But different types of brokers. Hold on, chat. I'll be right back. I use Vantage just for some gold, for example, it's 18. I think that's not too high, no? I mean, Blueberry has pretty much the best spreads that I've seen. Don't. Yeah, I tried Blueberry, but they need an address under my name, and I'm saying it my girlfriend's place, and it wouldn't accept. Oh. They don't accept US? Damn. Okay, never mind. In that case, I don't know. I'll use Blueberry, and Blueberry has been good to me. I don't know. If they don't accept US clients, then what in the US? US. Why is Forex so hard in the US? Liquidity maybe? I don't know. Play market? I don't know. For the spreads with blueberry, I don't know. I don't know. They're just I just know they're low, but I don't know. I don't have a number in my head. I rarely look at the spreads. Let's see. Around, I don't know, around there. 19 maybe. Or 19, 18. What's your opinion from gold now? I think gold will come up to around 48.50 and then it'll reject off of right here. I think it'll grab liquidity here. I think there's a resting liquidity just sitting here. I think it will come out and tap into this liquidity, break the highs, and then come down afterwards. They're both bias or salt bias. Salt bias, bro. Salt bias, heavy salt bias. We're salty today, chat. No, I have one left. Damn it, chat. That's devastating. Supply management facts. I don't know what I'm doing, bro. Let's see now, chat. Alright, Euro JPI made the second cross. Let's see if it plays out. I'm not going to take it again because we are hitting a 4-hour. We just hit a 4-hour very strong rejection point. And the 4. Ooh, the 4 also has the bottom wick. So we're not going to take this, chat. I'm not going to take this. Because you have a compensation down here. And he did break the. He did break structure. And he did not break the highs again. Where's... Oh, the 15 just opened. New 15 just opened. Oh my god. If this 15 can come up and close with no bottom wick, this is an amazing compensation play area, chat. Get an amazing compensation play to come up and grab this liquidity right here. Let's see now. Hopefully, let's hope we get this 15 to no close with no bottom wick. If we do that, I'd be very thankful. Hey, with NQ. If NQ comes up, it'd be a nice NQ position. Yep, there's a flip, chat. God damn it. Capital tax is 30%. No, it's 33%. That's the base. And then if you make, I don't know what the threshold is, but I think if you make 6 figures or something like that, you get taxed 50%, 54. Damn it, chat. It's flipped. Fuck. Just remember, Canada's tax act is better than Sweden's. Yes, every tax act is better than Sweden's, chat. You know which country taxes its billionaires the most? You guessed it. Sweden. Sweden taxes its billionaires. If you're a billionaire in Sweden, you get taxed 55.5%. Meaning whatever you earn, your country takes more than you. Crazy. Are you planning to move to another country? Yes. Rest mental, be better off. Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. In which companies have you invested until now? No, I don't invest in stocks. The cutest trader. Aw, stop it, bro. Here you're so kind, but in Zoom calls, you guys are different beasts. You guys are animals in the Zoom calls. In the chat, you guys are angels. What did I miss with shorten? Nope. We ain't shorting shit. We ain't shorting anything right now. We're just waiting for a breakout right now. Waiting for a breakout. I believe living in Sweden is best with the text. No, not. It's not even the best living in Sweden. What is good about Sweden? The country's cold. The people are cold. The taxes are high. Right? Sure, it's safe. But it's not even safe anymore. Sweden is not even safe anymore. Sweden has been ruined. So yeah, Sweden is slowly becoming worse and worse and worse and worse. Yeah. Sweden is not ideal at the moment. I think Dubai is probably where I'd move. Most likely, I'm gonna move to Dubai. What I'm looking at. I can imagine Dubai working, but not live there a long time. We'll see. We'll see how I like it there. But yeah, the plan is to go there and just work. But we'll see. If I enjoy it, then I might stay there for longer. Who knows? Who knows? All right, we're driving down here, chat. Driving down here, chat. Did not come up and break the highs. Did not come up and grab liquidity. It seems like it just wants to drive, so we'll look for sells now. Below 37. We have an hourly and a 30-minute closure in 7 minutes. We have 4-hour closure as well in 7 minutes. Let's see. Again, I do believe the 4-hour will need a top wick because the 4-hour will close below, making a lower low. So it'll make a lower low, breaking this lower low right here, or this higher low. And now it's gonna need to create a lower high, right? It's gonna need to create a lower high, and the lower high will be, well, anywhere in these areas. So yeah. Yeah. Holy shit, chat. We are driving here. See what the boys in Zoom. Feels bad, man. Yo, bro, why do you use MT4 and not a regulated broker? What do you mean? It's MT5. What do you think about 24K markets? I've never heard of them. Yeah, I've never even heard of them. So I don't know what to tell you, big man. I don't know. What broker to use? Billy Betty. Billy Marcus. Did you set sell limits? Yes. That was a VIP signal that I sent. Right, it's a good broker to trade gold, by the way. Love your streams. Thank you, man. Yeah, I like it. I like the broker. I like the broker. I think it's one of those days when gold just wants to push, chat. So we're gonna look for sells. I think it's one of those days where gold just wants to keep pushing down, with no stop. So yeah. Before I end the stream, I'm gonna leave you guys with some buy limits, some beautiful buy limits. So don't leave the stream, stay until the end of the stream, because before I end this stream today, I'm gonna leave you guys with a signal, with a free buy limit signal. Some beautiful buy limits. You'll have to wait. You'll have to wait. Oh no, I'm only gonna say them once. I'm only gonna say them once. Yeah, but remember to stay with the playbook. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you for reminding me. Appreciate that. But yeah, for sure. The playbook it is. I have to make, if anybody is good with, what is it called? If anybody is good with, like, digital drawing, I don't know what it's called, digital art, let me know. Because I need to make a PDF with the plays from the playbook. Not in written form, I need to make it like in picture form. So the candles and stuff like that. So if any of you like something like this, right? With the plays from the playbook. Yeah, you get the idea. Graphic design or media arts? Yeah, I don't know. Something like that. Let me know if any of you are good with that, and hit me up and I'll pay you to do it. I've been eyeing up a nice buy from about 23.08, but need keep driving to that area to grab liquidity first. 23.08 is very low. Yeah, I'll probably look for buys. I don't know, we'll see. Right now I'm still very sell heavy though. right, Chad, we got a 4-hour closure here. 4 hours about to close below. About to close below most recent support, meaning it has now officially created a lower low. Officially created a lower low. Now, after it's made a lower low, it needs to make a lower high. And you guys know, or I don't know if you know, but it's from the playbook. There's a 3-step verification there's a 2/3-step verification to breaking the trend. So we're gonna look for that now. Ooh, 4-hour no top wick. Okay. Let's see now, chat. If we break this low and come up, we're gonna look for the flip play. Look for our... We need to break this low first. Let's come down, grab liquidity below this low, and then we can get the flip play. But probably it's gonna flip right now though, but yeah. There's the flip. Guys, see? That's why I wanted the bigger bottom wick. So the bigger the bottom wick, the bigger the top wick will be. Interesting. Interesting USD-JPY. 2 consecutive 30 minutes with no top wicks. You see, that's why we didn't take this, chat. Because you do have something down here, which is a 4-hour with no bottom wick, and it looks like it wants to come down and compensate for that no bottom wick on the 4-hour. Damn, who you guys got? Jake Paul or Mike Tyson? So Bardo, good to see you. Good to see you too, bro. Mikey? Michael Splash, the YouTuber? You guys gotta remember, the guy's 6 years old. The guy's 6 years old. It's not the same Mike. It's not Mike Tyson anymore. That's a grandpa. Sure, he can still beat most people up, but you gotta remember, Jake has been boxing for 5 years now. Like 6. With the best trainers in the world. Gonna bite his ear once again. I hope he does. I think he moves like 20. He moves like 20, but that's not the problem. The problem is not that he moves. The problem is his chin. His chin is the problem. I don't think he can take hits anymore. I don't think his brain can take hits anymore. I think it'll be easy to knock him out. One punch from Jake, and I think Mike is... Did you call a sell? No. Not yet. I didn't enter a sell. I told you guys we were coming down, but I didn't enter a sell because there was no play from the playbook. We'll see. Yeah, it's gonna be hella interesting. When is it? Does anybody know when it is? June 20th. June 20th? That's in 20 days. Nice. Another question, Islam or Dustin for this weekend? Islam for sure. For sure. You guys saw what Khabib did to Dustin? Khabib did that to Dustin. I believe Islam is better than Khabib. Or stronger than Khabib at least. So, yeah, I think Dustin is about to get smoked. I'm glad you're back, Bard. Thank you, man. I'm glad to be back. So daily came down for some liquidity and it will flip. Maybe not today, but it's ripe to flip. Daily? I don't think so. I don't think so. Look where the daily closed. Daily closed below. Meaning the daily next range is around right here. This is where the daily needs to tap. Close below, right? And the next range is down here. Look at the last time you closed here. What happened? Last time you closed below was Tuesday, 22nd April. Or Monday, 22nd April. That was the last time you closed below. Right? Below this range. And when you did that, you came down and tapped this area. Right? So I do think the daily's come down. I just think it's making a lower high at the moment to come down, right? The daily is still very bearish. That's why we're looking for the 4 hour to come up, grab liquidity up here, and we'll look for sells up here because that's going to be the 4 hour. Or no, not up there. My bad. Up here. What a retracement though. Use the JPY. No, you're too bullish on USD JPY on all time frames. Like, I won't take it because it's against the trend. And you're too bullish. You're too bullish on all trends to take this. Yeah. I can't. This is not a valid play. Against the trend, also if you look at the 4 hour, look how bullish it is. And it's just made a higher low. Makes about to make a higher high probably. So yeah. Can take that. Cannot take that. Oh, I forgot to start Zoom. Why didn't nobody tell me about Zoom? Oh, they're already in SA Zoom? My bad. Forgot. Grid off plus 1000 aura instantly. Yeah, I honestly, I'm gonna be honest, chat. I like the grid, man. I like the grid, man. I don't know why. I just like the grid so much. Without the grid, everything seems like a game. It doesn't seem real without the grid. It seems like it's too smooth. It's like a baby's bum. It's too smooth. You need the grid. You need the grid. That's... We got confirmation from Vice. No, sir. Bros on. Yeah, white background is psychopathic behavior. White background is dropped as a baby behavior. Like grid, I can understand when people roast me for having a grid. But having a white background is psychotic. Like there are people in mental hospitals that are more sane than people that have white background on trading view. And that's on the gang. That's on the dead homies. Imagine living in Canada and having a white background. I'd quit honestly. Yeah, there's no like. That's crazy. That's crazy. Like choose a disability. You can't have both. You can't live in Canada and have a white background. Like you have to choose a disability. Yo, who called my man Lugatti ugly, man? HD, why do you call him ugly? You can't call him ugly because he's Albanian. So by extension, you're calling me ugly as well. Bard based? Yes, sir. Of course. Of course. Like background? Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking to people that have white backgrounds for real. It's like having white mode on Discord. Have you guys seen white Discord? Disgusting. This fucking Kosten. 50-minute closure. What about living in Albania and trading from there? It must be less tax and it's your country too. Yeah, but I don't want to get stabbed while going to a store. So, you know, Sweden is pretty nice in that regard. Okay, let's... what? Yep, I'm out. Remove my mod. No. No, stay. It's almost worse than if you have your iPhone in white mode. Yeah. Guys, the only thing I have in white mode is this... no, I'm joking. The only thing I have white mode is... like Snapchat. Like that's the only thing I have white. Everything else is black. Alright, 15 closed back into range. Should fill the range up now. Will most likely fill the range up now. Most likely. Hello, mechanic trader. What the fuck does that even mean? Hello, bro. Mechanic trader is wild though. I don't know if I should take it as a compliment or as a roast. Look, chat. I dropped the weight on my headphones. I was pushing like 100 kg each side. And I was like, on my 25th set, I was like, and I dropped it on my headphones. That was a dent. That's why we have these. So we do this. Hold on, chat. Fuck, never mind. Can't fix it, chat. We're saying we got confirmation because someone entered cells and we hit him. Oh. Oh, for real? For real? Ugh. Yo, chat, why y'all are mad quiet, bro? Stop being weird. Stop being so awkward, chat. You guys are mad awkward. Although I might be a mechanic trader right now. Just wait. Just wait, chat. We got some brewing. We got some brewing in the background. Hey, so Bard, why'd you decide those levels you drop? Now, Jose, this is the thing, Jose. This is why you can't be late. Because I explained all my levels in the beginning of the stream when I did my analysis. So yeah, I got different ones. Explain. Well, I drew them. Maybe I drew them on a different time frame. Maybe I don't know. I just drew them based off the 1 hour and the 30 minute. And based off the 1 hour and 30 minute, these are the levels I got. But yeah, I did explain why I drew them in my analysis at the beginning of the stream. So if you guys are not in the beginning of the stream, I suggest you come earlier and watch the analysis or scroll back on this video. So yeah. Maybe in the course. Yeah. I mean, I will explain how I draw my ranges in the course as well, of course. Pause. Let's see now, chat. We're gonna look for sells up at around 23.54. Around 23.52, 23.54. I know, man. I know, man. I was late. I've been sitting here waiting 3 days for you. I'm still late. Explain that, lol. I don't know. I have no idea how that's even possible. Well, has some broccoli here. Shut the fuck up. If you're a VIP, there is one. Oh yeah, that's true as well. There's a webinar. Yeah, I forgot about that. I have a webinar where I explain exactly how I draw my lines too. Completely forgot about that. Bard still looking for sell at 2046 to 2050. Yes, sells. Like either it's 50 on the dot or it's up at 57, because that's the decision area. But yeah. Yes. Let's see. Looks like the 4 is just making a top wick to come down further. So let's see how big the top wick is. But I don't know. I do think we're going to break the highs first. I do think you're going to break and grab liquidity here. And then drive down afterwards. For sure. For sure. He doesn't break for some days. Yes. Exactly. Did I tell you guys I had to take a break? I had to take a break because I was... I was being retarded. And so I had to take a break and recover from my retardedness for some days, which didn't help. I think was the comp play earlier based on the 15 valid? Yes, it was very valid. This one right here, very valid. This one right here, also very valid. So you had a comp play right here on an uptrend. You could have caught 27 pips. You had almost a comp play here. You might have entered anyways if you knew about the new entry that we have for the comp play, which will be in the course. But you didn't tap it, but you would have gotten entered if you took the new entry, and then you have another compensation play here. Yeah, you had 3 compensation plays, guys. 3 compensation plays, which is very rare, crazy enough. But the thing is, we get these compensation plays. Look when we get them. End of the market, when I'm not even looking at the charts. 7 a.m., 8 a.m. my time when I'm sleeping. 12 right before I start streaming, right? We get them it's so weird. We never get them on New York anymore. New York doesn't want to give us a comp play anymore. Yeah, like you see, chat, pretty simple. Close back into range. Fill the range up. Like, the ranges get filled, chat. This is why You have to be able to draw the ranges the way I do because it's so simple. The ranges get filled. Just wait for the range fills. That's all you do. He's touching the VWAP. According to VWAP, the momentum is bearish with volume. Good call. Sells at 52, 50, 52. Yeah. Exactly. And I didn't even look at the VWAP. I just intuition. My God-given eyes. Train those and you won't need anything else. Man, tomorrow's my exam and I'm here trading. Well, I know, bro, because I did the same. I failed I passed my first 3 exams in college, and then I failed everyone else after that. I failed every single exam after that. Hedge funds watching this man trying to make sense with those random lines. Yeah, bro. Yeah, the hedge funds are really care about me. The hedge funds, they're obsessed, right? The hedge funds like tune into my stream and they watch my stream. They're like, oh, how can I fuck this guy up? Brother, the hedge funds don't give a shit about me. I'm in a gray zone. I'm a small fish. Right? If you here's how I'm gonna compare it to. Let's say you're sitting outside and you're eating chips, right? You're eating chips, and you drop a few what is it called? A few crumbs from your chips on the floor, right? And then you see an ant. A few ants come and grab a few crisps, right? It won't be like you stand up and stomp on them, right? You'll just whatever. You wouldn't even notice them, to be honest, right? You'll eat your chips, and you drop some crumbs, and then the ants will come and pick those crumbs up, and eat those. Which you won't be like, oh, where are they? Let me find them and let me stomp each one of them. No, just let them eat their small piece of the pie. That's the exact same thing. The hedge funds don't even notice me, right? Well, they're up dealing with the big money and stuff like that. I'm here just catching the crumbs. They don't care about me. But now let's say if it was a seagull and he came and was trying to snatch one of your sushi, and it's different, right? Because then it's bigger. So the hedge funds don't really care about you unless you have billions. Yeah. And so far, these random lines have been working pretty well. Now, obviously, I know there's better ways to trade. I know there are algos. I know the people at the top have codes and they're algorithmic traders. Obviously, but I don't know how to code. And I'm not at that level, so I do what I can do best with price action and with my God-given eyes. You explain makes sense, nothing. No worries, bro. We're all here to learn. Hedge funds open trades for months. That's why they use indicators. We open trades for minutes. You come. I think you mute a lot. Fuck does that even mean? You don't take range fill trade? No. I only take trades for my playbooks. I don't take certain very, very strategic plays. You could, like, if you knew how to draw support and resistance the way I do, you could definitely take just range fill trades, but I don't. I just stick to the playbook. I do take range fills. I have it as a confluence, but I don't take trades strictly based off just range fills. I use it as an extra confluence. Bro has been looks maxing. What is this, bro? What is this? I see it on TikTok as well sometimes. My friends show me. It's like Mog and stuff like that. I don't get it, man. Damn, we had to make a nipple wick, huh? We had to make a fucking nipple wick. God damn it. God damn it. But we did tap the top of the range now, so let's see if we reject or what happens, but we did tap it. Oh, we're coming for that liquidity. We're coming for that liquidity. Sounds like a new liberal buzzword. You know how they put labels on everything to either offend you or say they're being offended? Yeah, I think I know what you mean. But yeah, I don't know. It's these different trends, bro. Like, if you're in the TikTok space, there's literally a new trend every week. Every week somebody comes up with some new trend and people are like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, that's so cool. Like, ah. Nipple wick? Yeah. Nipple wick is another word for a very, very small wick. That's nipple wick. It's a word for a very, very... If you get a tiny micro wick, that's a nipple wick. Because it looks like a nipple, right? Oh, it seems to be rejecting off of that resistance right there. So, you know, we'll have a pretty strong. We had a very strong 30-minute closure. So let's see if we break above 47, guys, you should see pretty strong push. You think this 30 will come down to the next? No, you know what I think? I think this 30 will probably come down a little bit, and then you'll come up and break the highs and grab liquidity up here. That's what I believe is going to happen. I do think you're just having a small rejection here. Not a big rejection. I don't think this is a decision area, meaning I don't think you're going to reject hard. I just think you're having a small rejection now, but I think eventually volume and the pull from the liquidity pool up here will be able to break this this zone, and after you break, since it's such a hard resistance, you'll break it by a shit ton and you'll drive hard. And after After you do that, we'll look for a wick lick. We'll look for a wick lick. Yeah, if you use TikTok, you're literally making your brain turn jelly. Yep. Very true. www. What do you think about the concept of trying to be as bored as possible so that if you do hard / boring work, it seems to be more fun? I think another word for that is stop chasing instant gratification. That's another word for that. So avoid things that bring you joy, pleasure, or happiness without hard work. That's how I think I'd put it. Yeah, I agree with that 100%. I think you need to restore your dopamine level to a baseline. So normal life stuff actually become fun, right? If you're so used to having constant dopamine and constant gratification and pleasure, normal things like talking to your parents or washing the dishes or going out for a walk or going to the gym will seem extremely boring, right? It's all relative, right? People that don't, for example, people that are in prison and get 1 hour of sunlight a day, 1 hour of going outside a day, they fucking love it. They're the happiest man alive. And because they get to enjoy the sun for 1 hour a day. Right? It's because they're, like you said, they're so bored all the time and they've restored their dopamine levels because they're not being constantly bombarded with easy pleasures, that they enjoy those small things in life. And I think you'll be the happiest when you reach that level. That's what I think, at least. I miss cells now. Let's see. You are tapping into a 4-hour resistance and you're retesting, so let's see. But I do still think you need to grab liquidity. So be careful, you might be liquidity. US oil dumping now? Yeah, I'm not really looking for oil right now. I'm kind of done with oil. Great NQ compensation play, by the way. Maybe we'll get a new 1 hour or 30-minute no bottom wick up to 50, 52 or a bottom nipple wick. If we get that, that'll be some nice sells. We get a no bottom wick after closing respecting 46 up to 52, that'll be a perfect sell. So if you get something like this, right? You get a no bottom wick and you get a push up to around 51, 52. Sells right here would be amazing. Flip. Flipper, come down. Yo, pollen is killing me, chat. Pollen is messing me up. I'm losing to nature. Hello, brother. Hello, Baba Illusion. That's a funny name you got. I like that name. Funny name. Let's see. We might. Keep on rejecting there. So then the weekly ripe to flip. Weekly. Yes. Very. Oh. Weekly, very, very ripe to flip. Almost no bottom wick. Oh, this is beautiful, chat. Weekly candle looks beautiful to come down. Although you be wary that you're still bullish on the weekly, but it has no bottom wick, which is nice. Hopefully come down, chat. If we come down, guys, it's gonna be amazing summer. If this summer is bearish, it's gonna be an amazing summer for trading. But if this summer, if we keep going to all-time highs, it's gonna be bad summer for trading. We'll click on the 15, 30 even. No, because for it to be a wick click, you had to have wicked above the range. You have to have wicked above the range if you wanted a wick click. So no, it's not a wick click. What's your NASDAQ chart name? It's for futures. NQM 2024. What are the strategy you use? I use my own strategy called the No-wick strategy. Let's see now. If this hourly flip, it'll be not good at all. We still want to grab liquidity up here. Because if we grab liquidity here, we can be sure that we have enough to come down all the way to 20s. But if we do not grab liquidity, we don't know. We might reject down here. We might reject in the middle somewhere, right? We do first need to grab liquidity. That was going pretty good. Good shit, bro. Oh, Yaga. Yo, Bard, what do you think about the... What do you think if the daily candle you are? Or does that have a time? What do you think if the daily candle you are does not have a top slash bottom wick? Should price need to fill this? Not necessarily, since it has a very small top wick. Also, you close respecting. Also, you don't have a lot of range up because of this wick, so not necessarily this one. But yeah, if it does not have a bottom wick, you usually tend to flip. But this one does not necessarily have to flip. There's no like pull for this to flip. Damn, tap the range up, fill the range down. Crazy chat. Having to close strong bearish. Yeah, very strong bearish candle here. Still close respecting though, which is crazy. The 5 close below here, you should see a push down. Do 37 again. Josh is beating around the bush. What do you mean? What's going on? That's a beautiful play on NQ chat. Beautiful play on NQ. Can you please explain your strategy or a small brief about it? I can explain a small brief about it. So basically my strategy is based off candle with no wicks. So pretty simple here. If you look at this indicator and you press labels, you see that 3.81% of wickless bull candles and 3.81% of candles of bullish candles have no wicks. And 4.28% of bearish candles have no wicks, meaning there's a high likelihood that a candle will have a wick on both sides. And with that probability by our side, we can create a strategy around that. That is basically my strategy. There's a strategy strictly based off of probabilities. Yeah, 5 close respecting, 15 close respecting. Let's see. Currently just consolidating between the ranges. We'll see here. Oh, did you have an SK strategy? No. I sold at 347 TP 450. Let's go. Good shit. If one hour closes below 40, the next is gonna up to 46 to that bottom. That's all us right there. Yes, exactly. That's what we need to wait for. Whoa, USD JPY. Holy shit. You see compensation? No, it's not a clear trend. Not a clear trend. It's just consolidating here between these ranges. It's not a clear trend. You need to break out. NQ is not playing out for the compensation play. By the way, I did not take this trade. I just marked it up because I'm just testing out futures right now for the compensation play. I'm just testing the waters and see how they play out. For the gold rejected again, man. What a hard consolidation. What a tough consolidation we have here. Just keeps rejecting off of the zones, filling the range every single time. So let's see a breakout. A breakout should be pretty like if you break out of 47 after rejecting this many times. This many times. Sorry guys, my English. Should be able to push really hard. Should be able to push really hard. At around 251, 52 areas, and that's going to be the sells. Great sell limits. Or not sell limits, great sell opportunities. Gonna be a hard breakout? Yeah, it will. It will definitely be a hard breakout. Currently pretty slow market, chat. Or not slow, I lied. Not slow. Not slow market, it's just a very consolidating market. We don't have a clear direction yet. But to me it looks like you want to come up because on the 15 you're starting to make a reversal pattern here on the 15. So it looks very bullish. But we'll have to break out first. But right now it looks very bullish. Very, very bullish. Because you got a bottom here on these two candles. And then you made a higher low. And now you're probably going to break the higher high and make a higher high. Alright, so after having this continuous trend of lower lows and lower highs, seem to be making a trend reversal here. What you'll need then is a retest and a breakdown. So what I want to see here, the ideal play here for me is going to be a break above 47, closure, bottom wick with no top wick, and then a flip up. Come up and test 251 areas. So that's going to be the play we're looking for here, chat. If we get that play, we're going to take it. Well, how to mark the perfect higher high and higher low? I mean, it's very simple, really. It's basically just, I mean, let's see here. Like, it's fairly simple. There's no secret to it. Just you have an uptrend. The lowest point it's been before continuing, and the highest point it's been before retracing. Really simple. Yeah. Some people look at the wicks, some people look at the closures. I personally look at the closures. But yeah, so you have, for example, this on this downtrend here, you could have a closure, or lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher low, higher high. If this closes above now. Fairly simple. Fairly simple. 1 hour closure, chat. Come on now, please just push up and close the last 8 seconds. So I want to see a strong push. Boom. Ah, shit. Okay, no bottom wick. This is great. Come on. Yeah, guys, unfortunately, price decided to close respecting. It did close. I mean, it's still a bullish trend, though. It closed above most recent. So, yeah, you're still... This is now officially a trend reversal. Because you made a higher low, and you've closed above the most recent higher high. Now I'm going to create a new higher high, which is right here. New higher high. Now let's see the retest. You're probably just going to retest and buy. But again, you do have a hard time breaking here, so we'll see. We'll see. By the way, when are you going to send the free webinar? The free webinar is already out. To get the free webinar, you have to go to the Discord. And on the Discord, you have free sauce. And under free sauce, you have free webinars. And here you'll find the free webinars. Still looking for sells or buys now? Buys and sells. So I'll look for buys if we get a no-wick play above 47. I'll look for sells at around 53 to 52, somewhere here. I'll look for sells. So buys until we come up and tap above 50, somewhere above 50. The buys only till 50, chat. Only till 50. They're gonna be quick scalps. Then after 50, we'll look for sells. Are we going to trade today? I've been waiting ages. Hey, that's trading, bro. That's trading, bro. You'll have to have patience. You'll have to wait. Pretty much one of the biggest parts of trading, one of the biggest aspects of trading is having patience. Let's see chat. Engolo, Kante. Yo, who you guys got for the 2024 Euros? I got France. Literally the Avengers of football. Portugal for England, Germany. Oh, England is a good. England is a good shout. I'm so cooked. Why? Why, Bugatti? What happened? What have you done? For Italy, they've always been a cracking team. Yeah, Italy has always been good. Without even having significantly good players, they've just been good. Oh, Portugal, I just realized they have good players as well. I hope Ronaldo plays. I really wish Ronaldo plays. Yeah, I got France, bro. Their team is too OP. France is really good individually. France is really good individually. The thing is, sometimes they can't play as a team, and that's more important in my opinion. Or it's not in my opinion. It is more important. We'll see. Albania gonna win. No, I'm joking. Hop on Zoom, bro. You're bored. Oh, y'all better not say some out of pocket shit.
Oh, it's per account. Okay.
What currency is that?
45 minutes ago.
Dollar. That's.
Hello, Zoom boys.
Oh, I won.
Finally,
Speak
bro.
to the devil.
You look fucking.
Did you
Depressed.
take the NQ trade, Bard?
What'd you say?
Did you take the NQ trade, or you were just marking?
No,
it
I
up
was just
20
marking it up.
Be honest, you took on futures.
No, I
Public
didn't.
app Bard.
I swear I didn't. I swear I didn't. I swear to God.
Yo, are we not cooked or are we getting cooked? What?
I'm breaking right now.
or what?
I know. Yeah. Like what the fuck? So.
I mean, I'm break even now, but now I'm minus
So
again.
Are they gonna cook us or are they
Wait.
gonna fucking
As well.
give us?
I'm 20 pips off. What? You have
Ooh,
2 entries?
15
Bart,
with no
you look
bottom
depressed, bro. You look bored as hell.
No, bro.
It
This is just my natural look.
Oh wait. What happened to your hair? When did you curl it?
He's going for a mullet.
When'd you go for
Bro's
fun?
got a mullet.
I've always had curly hair.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, he always had a curly hair.
I'm
What
not
do
in
you
the
think?
video.
You
You think
think
you think I would do a perm? Brother.
Brother, what about the video on the website?
Well, I straightened it with gel.
Just a heads up, guys.
Bard,
we
Bard,
are on stream, by the way.
15 no
that
bottom
as
weight, bro. Weak play. Dick lick, what's that?
Hello.
Dick click.
I said
15
the
on
heads
bottom
up.
Yeah, 15 up on a
Heads
wick.
up, heads up.
For fuck's sake, man, we still in drawdown.
Is there? Oh, it's actually no bottom wick on the 15.
Rolled
Yeah,
15
bro,
minutes,
dick
no
lick.
bottom
No,
wick, yeah.
I'll take the. I'll probably take the compensation if this comes up. I close the bill.
Oh,
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Hey.
Why
Hey,
are you
hey,
that?
hey,
Don't curse us. Don't curse us.
Take the no-wick now.
I
Take
hope
the
it
no-
flips, so you miss it.
one with-
Oh my god, I was almost in with 10 lots. Holy shit.
Oh yeah, Cream, chill.
Fuck, you know.
Nothing,
No,
nothing,
bro.
nothing Karim does wonders me anymore.
Bro, I was going
Same.
to enter at the top of the wick with 1 lot. Oh, for fuck's sake, fuck this.
And then he lose
Sake,
another
man.
2% today.
It's gonna flip. It's gonna flip. It's too impulsive.
Why is
One
it? Why is
minute.
it not fucking moving now, man?
Because it's gay.
Now it doesn't want to move.
It's
because of Dom.
type
Who's
shit.
gonna be the sacrificial lamb today?
The reef.
It ain't me.
Hey, what's happening, bro? Who am I hearing?
Bring close trade.
Put another cell. Fuck it.
I heard the
Yeah, we're cooked.
sound.
Go down. Go
Come
down.
on, close with no bottom wick.
Go down,
No, no, don't.
No,
No, please don't.
no.
go down, you little. You little buckler. Hey, what the fuck is that? What am I hearing? Bro?
What the fuck is he's singing?
Where's
the voodoo shit?
Yeah,
He's singing to his girlfriend.
Am I forced? Am I forced to watch SA's screen on Zoom?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you are for.
What do you mean for?
How do I like take it away?
You don't.
You
Windows
press the
Oh,
capture.
you just don't.
The stance trader is a
You
screen
minimize
above in the header. And you can press on
No,
meet.
you can do it on OBS. Just do Windows
You can switch the view.
Flip, flip.
No, you
flip,
can actually.
flip,
SA
flip.
can actually. Guys, SA can actually allow multiple share screens at the same time, but you need to go in settings. There is
Yeah,
a,
no, I'm not trying to share the screen. I'm just trying to take away the position.
Just minimize zoom. Oh, you want to?
Fuck it. I'm flip. I'm closing.
Yeah, close, Kareem, close.
I made it. $10.
Let's
Oh,
go.
don't close.
Let's go, Cream.
Bravo, $10.
Now
We
time for it to
up.
dump. Time for it to dump.
Oh, you guys took the no-wick play?
No. we've
Yeah,
been in
surely,
straight-
surely.
We've been
Yeah,
in
yeah,
surely
yeah.
with
I-
one
I-
wick.
the
We did.
no-wick.
I got 12 people better position with the no-wick play, yeah.
Go down.
So I closed the bottom position because it was at the end of the week. And
What the
I
fuck
say-
is this, bro?
Yeah.
So I just passed one. Do I buy 2 more tomorrow?
No,
Of
you get for a
course.
payout, you give me half, and then you
You
buy
give
another
him-
account.
No,
Hey, he
but
said
I
it, bro.
can- I can
He
just-
said he's gonna give
I
me
know.
half.
I
I'm
will
gonna
give
hold
you.
him to it.
I'll give you half. But like, I'm still gonna buy 2 more.
Just, buy
Yo,
one for me,
SA,
bro.
when he
Go
gives
for
you
that.
half, it's
Yeah,
tax
let's
free,
go.
yeah, remember that.
Yeah, don't worry.
Josh,
Tax
Tax
Josh,
free
Josh,
half, yeah?
fucking,
Josh,
It's a gift, innit?
Josh,
what's your income, bro?
Josh, can
What?
you hear me?
What?
I'm gonna take your word as a good practicing
Yes.
Christian. I'm
Yes,
gonna
I
take your
will.
word.
I'm dead serious.
Yeah.
But wait, hold on. I'm
Depending
as
on,
well, bro.
I don't know when I'm
broke.
getting the payout, but when I get it, yeah, I'm serious. Yes,
Hey,
I will
you
give it to you.
better get it.
Bro,
Yes.
I'm gonna
bro.
make sure you don't mess up this account.
No full port. Share my screen. No
Full
full
every
port.
trade.
Yo, let's say if I pass someday, I will give you 10k or like one full payout.
Oh, brother, listen, guys, I'm not an idiot. I'm never gonna say no to free money. If you want to give me 10k, give me 10k. I'm not gonna say
Yo,
no.
SA, I'll take 10k from you, it's alright.
I'm
No.
broke, bro.
You know
I'm
what you
broke.
guys should do?
I'll
You
give you
guys-
my life.
This is why you guys are still so immature in my mind. If you guys really want to support SA and give him money, why don't you invest in his hedge fund and like help him grow his capital there? Just be like, hey, SA, like
I
I'm
closed
not
the break
giving you
even,
this
man.
money
Fuck this
because
trade.
again, that's gonna have tax implications on all of you guys, anyways. Even if you guys say no or yes, it's around it's more than $5,000. The IRS, the SEC.
By the
someone's
way,
gonna
YouTube
fucking
is
come
hearing you, just so you know.
blowing up your skirt. I could care less. Dude. Who gives a
No,
fuck?
no, I know.
Yeah, just don't be too out of pocket.
Yep.
Yeah.
I was just,
really?
I was just
Hold
about
on,
to say
I'm
something.
still-
Behave,
I was
guys,
just
behave.
about to say
Boys,
something.
boys,
Behave,
everyone.
guys, behave.
Can we do something? Yeah, okay. If someone is talking,
Did you
can
get
we let
close?
that person talk? Because we got like 5 people talking over each other, and it's so hard to hear the person.
When are we
Please
closing?
respect.
So can we have one, max 2 people talking at the same time? Yeah, please.
Thank you, Daddy.
Hey, who the fuck closed the trade?
We got a nice push down, but it's rejecting.
Well,
Ibrahim, man, you need to mute yourself. You got 5 people talking in your room. Yo,
I say, when are you closing?
I don't know, bro. When I close, I'll let you know. You've closed. Don't worry about when I'm closing.
I didn't close. I didn't close. I didn't close. I didn't close. The fuck?
Oh, so we're doomed.
We've got an imposter.
I was at 500 profit. No.
But Kareem, your mic is arse, man. You sound on the
I
wall.
say, what's your analysis on gold? I say.
I say doesn't even know anymore, bro.
I'll be honest. At this point, I don't even know. I'm all over the place. I'm all over the fucking place.
Yeah, we were like bullish and then bearish because of the impulse, and then
Okay,
now
I
again.
asked SA.
Hey.
Wow.
Ooh.
Nah,
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
So before we took this sell, what I was thinking was, if we can get above this, it's dropping. Fucking hell, wait one second.
I closed.
If we can get above this, we can. Where's my pen? Am I on my pen or not?
Bro, I was almost going to enter with 10 lots.
So I was
That
thinking, if we get above
17.
this, we do something like this, and then buys right here. But then we came up here, we had a strong rejection, came down. So then we took the buys off the retracement over here, and I'm expecting at least here. And if we can break the lows, that's fucking amazing. And it should be a clean push down to here.
All right. That should. So.
All right, stream. So we're doing this. We're gonna sell.
But if you go on to gold analysis,
Yeah, man,
that's basically it. That big ass swing trade.
Oh, okay. I see.
23.58.
To 2300.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's basically playing out in a very
Long
big-
period of time.
time frame.
Yeah, that 25 area is a really strong decision area.
Yeah, very strong.
Yeah,
I don't think it'll get to 25 today. I feel like it'll probably get to 25 tomorrow. We've got a lot of news.
Yeah.
I think, can I see history?
I'm surprised. I'm surprised you didn't break the highs though and grab liquidity above the.
Which there's 70.
No, above above 47.
47.
Like you didn't just come up and
up
break
here,
those
yeah,
high.
yeah. Yeah.
I see.
I mean,
That's because you got all these
USD
rejections over here.
What's
Is
this
there like a
rejection? my God?
history thing, bro?
Kareem, brother. Fuck's sake, man.
Shut the
That
fuck
was a
up.
child, man. Fuck's sake. I don't know. I don't know, man. Please. I've had a long, stressful day.
Welcome to a man's
Yeah, I
life.
feel like we're gonna consolidate a bit now. I don't know. I don't see us having another big push.
Big push down, yeah. So
I don't see us having another big. We've
Not
had a lot of
today.
pushes.
Bye, bro.
Had a lot of big pushes lately.
And
Yeah,
we
they're-
already just had the Richmond manufacturing news, so it's not like we have a catalyst that's gonna
There are
drive the price.
Yeah, no.
Honestly, I don't really like this position anymore.
I mean, if we failed to break 2340.7, if we failed to break that area, that's still a reversal pattern on the 15. I can still see that 15 come up. Honestly,
yeah.
I still think we need to grab liquidity above.
Yeah, it has equal highs at 47. Like 3 hourly candles hold the money in there.
Yeah, so I do think there's a lot of resting liquidity right above those highs. We've tapped that so many times and rejected. So that's why as soon as we tap that, I think we're either gonna see a strong push up, or you're just gonna tap it and drive down. But there is resting liquidity at above 47. That's pretty much what I'm waiting for, and then I'm gonna take a position of that.
Bless you. Bless you.
Bless you.
You guys are all blessed with money, hopefully.
I'm gonna look to exit at 40.
Sorry that my microphone turned on.
God, you know this whole Zoom session has been filled
good,
with just
don't
fucking DJ moves.
Yeah.
We have been full port in after full port.
Half of them are
Fucking
I
hell,
passed an account by
Wabs-
full porting.
Wabs made like 6k for full port in. Josh passed an account full port in.
Damn.
Our inner gambler.
SA went 15 pips buys.
Listen,
15, I mean, contracts.
listen. The only reason I did that was because
NQ
I don't. Obviously, I don't have a reason, but I had money to spare.
Yo, I'm gonna be honest.
I have made $1,100 on EU sell today, actually. I didn't
EU
know
sell?
for now. Yeah, EU sell, yes. From yesterday, I was holding from yesterday.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with these Apex prices. Like the only
you should be able to. You should full port.
Yeah, like just buy an account for fucking what is it? What was it? $100?
$20.
No,
$60.
$60 and just full port until you pass it. And then after you pass it, then you could Like, do it seriously. But,
Can't
like,
be
for,
hating.
Don't say that because you'll have Kareem put a full pot in every fucking
Kareem,
trade. You
no,
cry.
it's fine. Kareem needs money. First, he can find money, and then he can full port. He has no money.
Like he can
Well,
find
if-
money
yeah, if you-
every day.
if you have $60 to your name, then it's different. I order at 23.8 stop losses.
And if you don't, you need to go figure out how to make $60 to your name.
I think it will go up
Guys,
before down. Yeah, I think
I'll
it will go up
suck your
before down
dick for
too.
$60. Who wants a blowjob?
I do,
I'm
but
good.
no money. But no
Right,
money.
you need to fly to the UK first.
You know how Karim makes $80 in 5 minutes? He's just gonna stream himself topless.
Oh, come on.
Let's see.
Just one more push down and we're good, I think.
Yeah.
Good to close. We should have closed
Oh.
that.
Are you guys up by now?
No.
We
down.
were break even. We got 2 entries.
No, we were in profit.
Where was the other entry?
Yeah, we were in profit at 42.5.
We were like 30 pips in profit, I think.
Yeah, we were 30 pips in profit.
Oh
but
yeah,
you
I mean it did tap the bottom of that range and rejected. So yeah.
Yeah, we should have closed but down there, to be honest. Like,
Later.
I don't know. I closed
greedy
that.
if,
I closed in profit like 10 pips.
Yeah, you're
Still?
failing. You're failing to come below. You're failing to come below 40, 41. Which is gonna be tough.
We have a long way.
I mean,
Go
if it's
for it,
gonna
man.
consolidate, like, you should go down and like
One
range.
more time, yeah.
Yeah, but if you guys, I mean, there's a stop loss.
50, bro.
50.
Stop loss is 50. Ooh, that's right at the liquid area. Yeah.
Yeah, it might grab it from 48 area and then go down. But
I
if we're unlucky, it's gonna grab our stop loss and then go down.
Yeah, I mean, there's pretty much the two things. This position that you guys are in are like it's gonna have two outcomes. Either you're gonna hit stop loss quickly, or you're gonna come into profit quickly. Because after you tap breaks 47, you're either gonna see a top wick right above those wicks and a hard rejection because you've grabbed liquidity, or you're gonna see a strong push up to grab liquidity even further up at 52. Whatever happens, this position is gonna be a fast one after you tap around above 74 or 47. So let's hope it's the drive down.
You guys, I have an idea for you. You guys in
Get out of
cells, right?
break-even.
No, you guys in cells, right?
Yeah.
I will put one contact cell and I will go out to something in the house and I'll come back in 15 minutes, maybe 20.
Okay, good.
It worked the last time, yeah.
Last 2 times, not last time.
What's your
run your errand.
I'll send that question over to SA. SA, what's your view on BTC?
The crypto
We
god.
did it a couple of days ago, man. Sick.
Did we?
Yeah, remember we spoke about on thingy, Monday's low, whatnot.
Yeah.
He's asking for thing though.
Stream, yeah.
Market's very choppy today.
That's not it.
Look like he's going down.
That's the algo guy. Algo guy type shit.
Everyone got 100.
So we marked out every single level. What I would suggest to do is this, yeah. What I would suggest to do is wait for Monday's low to be reclaimed, because usually what happens with crypto or Bitcoin mainly, what always happens is Monday's high and Monday's low, the liquidity is always grabbed within the week. Oh, I've barely ever seen it not grabbed. So let me grab fish tail. Okay. What I would do is wait for Monday's low to be reclaimed, and then you can take buys at this level. TP up at 70. Stop loss will be just below this low. That's what I would do.
All right.
What we could see is probably price push up here, one last liquidity grab, quick retracement, and then you can get triggered into your buys. Break even on Monday mid range, and it should take Monday's high.
Okay, I see.
Alright, buy limit sensor.
For those of you who are interested in Bitcoin, pay a lot of attention to what happens to the Monday mid, Monday highs, and Monday's low every week.
That's interesting.
You got it.
Come on, push down a little bit more. Come on.
Oh, nice.
Nah, I jinxed it. Fuck.
You didn't go
SA.
long enough for your...
Yeah.
Is trading Bitcoin against the dollar worth it or not really?
Is it worth it?
Compared to crypto against crypto? Or is it too volatile?
What do you mean?
No, you mean like not
BTC
USD?
USD, yeah.
No, I would never do it on USD.
No,
Don't
no.
do it on Forex prop firms or whatnot. Never.
Yeah.
Always do it on a crypto exchange.
Yeah, Bing X.
Yeah, boy.
We're cooked.
To be fair, on the 15-minute, we're looking okay.
It's the third 15-minute of this hourly. Doesn't look very good for us.
I say the 30 looks good, isn't it? Push down.
30.
30 minute.
Not really. It's all just ranging up. This is what's going to happen. We're going to break out of one of the range. Either push down or push up.
Yeah, this always happens during this time.
Yeah.
Around this time is the exact same price action. Anybody caught the compensation play earlier in London?
No.
Early this morning I did. With 0.1% risk.
Well, no, I see. Most of the time it continues just on the trend. Like
How
it's a
much?
downtrend, it's gonna continue down.
How much you say? 0. What?
1%.
Oh.
0.1.
I was just waking up,
You don't
so it's
trust
like
the
2 minutes.
compensation play?
I was waking up. I was like, "What? Am I sure I'm gonna take it? I just woken up." So yeah.
It played out.
And I
though.
also splitted the position, so I only got triggered at one.
Okay, I see. Did play out though, very nicely.
I took it for 60 pips.
Oh, that's great. 60 pips, closed down at. Okay, that's really good.
Alright, guys, I got shells for you. I'm going. Be right back.
Thank you.
This one was pretty nice too. Yesterday.
The hedge fund manager.
Yesterday, the fact that they won the compensation play yesterday right before market close also played out, which was really nice.
Nice.
Josh, you here?
Probably not.
What he's done for today.
He passed
Yeah,
his
he got the
account.
account, so yeah. Probably walking his dog and jumping happily.
Masturbating.
He's skipping, you know. He's like, yeah.
I love it because it's either walk your dog dead happy because you just made a shitload of money, or it's a depressive reflective walk. That's why I need a dog.
Need the dog.
Hey Loki, when I go Poland next month, I'm gonna buy a German Shepherd though.
The compensation play just based on the 15 and the 30. Yeah, compensation play works better off the 15 above. So 15, 30, 1 hour. I don't know. I haven't really tested it in the 1 hour that much, but probably not. I think the 15 and the 30 is the best. 15 is definitely the best. Let's stick to the 15 for the compensation play. And the compensation play on the 15 is going to be a compensation play on the 30 as well, unless it's a 30 flip. So yeah, I'd just say stick with the 15. Buys on gold? Yeah, I mean, gold looks very bullish on the lower time
Don't
frames.
say that, bro. Why would you? Why would you, man?
So
We thought we were bullish before and we would hit stop loss.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
We are
Whoa,
so
whoa.
cooked.
Relax,
you
it's
guys.
barely moving.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bro's acting like
One
he's gonna
pip,
move.
damn!
-10 to -30.
Alright, let's see now. I think if you reject here again, that's gonna be very, very, very interesting. Because then, like, the more times you reject here, the break is gonna be monumental.
I'm sensing that 35, sorry.
55?
35. Rejection, 35, boom.
Oh, that one.
I want that 1 minute candle from before.
I mean, we still haven't grabbed liquidity under 32.35 area. We still haven't grabbed liquidity around the 26 level.
You're on a downtrend, right? And when you're on a downtrend, you usually want to grab liquidity to the upside.
From the you wanna buy the buy liquidity to go down.
Yeah.
You're in a downtrend, the buy side liquidity.
Well, I mean, I think it's time for an uptrend now, isn't it?
It's time.
I think it's just
It's
time for
time.
volume, man. Honestly, at this point, I don't care what happens.
Look at the
Hit
look,
stop loss,
Guys,
come
we
back
are
tomorrow.
cooked.
look
I
at
think
the
it's time to hop in the war zone and then just let the war zone.
Don't
play
move
out.
enter another cell.
look at the
We are
4 hour,
cooked.
for example. Look at
Oh, we are
And look at it pump when he says that Don Vol's at the cell and it pumps up.
yeah, just look at the 4 hour and look at how the structure has changed on the 4 hour.
Look at the 1 hour.
1 hour 2,
Oh.
1 hour 2, yeah. Very evident. So right now it's like you're gonna come down eventually for sure. The only thing is on the 4 hour, you do probably need a bigger or a higher. What is it? The higher lower high.
I mean, if it fills that bottom wick on the 1 hour, I'm going to be out anyway because I'm looking to get out when it's break even or slight profit.
Yeah.
Compensation play on NQ coming up. Looks like in 5 minutes. Bard.
Yeah. No, because it already got compensated for. On the 15.
Yeah, is there a bottom wick on that?
Oh. Here, yeah, it's a bottom. There's a bottom wick.
I'm off for a meeting with a client, boys.
Baby one.
Ghostless candles isn't it hasn't been activated, so you see dumping. Yeah, I see gold dumping this. I see gold dumping this summer. Early this summer, like I said, early summer gold is gonna dump, and then after summer, it's gonna break all-time highs again.
Bard, what's the name of the indicator?
X ghost
Gold.
wickless candle. Ghost
What
is
is it?
spelled with Z.
Ah,
X?
Ghost.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait,
Yeah,
spell it for
goes-
me again, Bard?
X ghost with Z, wickless candles.
What settings do you have on that though? Because I've got it, but it's just a shitload of candles.
I mean, what time frame are you on?
Need any settings.
I'll send it in
Depends
Zoom.
on the time frame.
Remove the labels, guys. Be sure.
Yeah, remove labels.
That's the only thing
Yeah.
you need.
Pickle sent it in the chat. The Zoom chat. With settings.
I'm hoping it does go to that 25 though.
I
Because
can show mine.
Gold is
so-
testing 15 main liquidity level.
So,
I guess it will
wait,
break
where
out.
did you set the settings? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, there's such a strong pull to this area right here. Such a strong pull. It wants to drive down, but it can't.
Yeah, same as people. Just do whatever they want to.
We're
with the colors.
talking about Ghost Weekly. I just saw Morpho posted 4K damage on Warzone. We're just trading over here. It's like, hey guys, 10 kills. Look at that. Of course.
Where'd you post
I
the
asked
settings?
if someone wants to hop on. No one responded, so I took a game.
And you
guy's
slayed
fucking built
it.
different.
Yeah, wait like a little bit. We can.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop on after this trade.
Hey, where'd you guys post the settings?
Zoom
Zoom
chat.
Zoom chat.
A little bit.
A wee bit.
What does that indicator show? The indicator shows candles with no wicks, which is what my strategy is based off of mainly. That's why I use it. So I can identify, because some candles have so small wicks that you can't notice them. And having that indicator helps you identify the no-wick candles much easier. And also you don't have to scan around and look for them. They're very like in your face. 4 hour no-wick. Huh? Why does everybody keep saying that?
Huh?
I've had 2 people say 4 hour no-wick now.
People are probably not looking at Oanda.
Yeah, that might be it.
I've had that too.
4 hours no wick. No, it has a clear top and bottom wick.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
NQ actually works really well.
With the no wick?
Yeah.
Relax, bro.
That fucking childlike laugh.
Look.
You tell the kid don't touch the candy.
Yo, guys, I just experienced like the weirdest call ever in my life because I work as a Polish interpreter. And
yeah, as you said.
Yeah, as I said. Oh, I forgot to touch the microphone. But basically, the situation is like that. I work as a medical interpreter, and there was this guy, Polish guy, like 33 years old. He came to the hospital, to the ER. And
Yeah, you're on YouTube. By the way, you're giving them.
No, YouTube can't hear him, can they?
Yeah, they can.
Okay.
They can.
Oh,
okay.
They can or they can't because it's like a confidential.
Oh, they can. They can.
They can.
Okay, then I'll share that story later.
You can mute it, Bard, if you want.
Money printer chat.
No, I won't mute it.
It's going to be too long to write.
I won't mute it because then the chat will feel excluded.
Yeah, excluded.
That's exactly what we want.
That's why we have a Zoom.
That's the point. Yeah, that's the point.
No, they're not.
There's the reason. Yes, they are. Because why do we pay more when we could just sit in your chat?
Well, once in a while, I think they can hang out with the big boys.
Big dog.
We'll let them have it.
All right, boys, we're gonna hop off Zoom. We're gonna go and money print voice chat.
Yeah.
If you want to join, make sure you buy tier 3 access.
Oh, these guys, man. Nah, chat. I love you all, chat. I love you, YouTube chat.
Meantime, essays they're like,
I love
essays they're like, sorry guys, it might have disconnected for a bit. I don't know why.
Virgin internet.
Virgin internet, best provider.
Best provider.
Boom, internet down.
Timing on that. The timing
was. Wait.
Would you look at that? Babby.
Bobby.
Yeah, I'm switching book maps. Tesla's not doing anything, but there are 72,000.
Gold is a slag. Gold is a slag.
This way.
And I need to smoke, but my thing is dead.
What thingy?
Your thingy.
Yeah,
The
my
thingy.
You can smoke one of those ICOS things.
Yeah.
Brother, ooh.
Brother, ooh.
Thanks, Bard. No worries, man. I don't know what you said thanks for, but
it's alright, boys.
Because you love them.
For including you, boys.
Because you care about them.
Of course
Don't
I
forget,
do.
you like 30 seconds.
I care about. I told you, I care about some of the people in chat.
Only a handful,
threes
though.
that are in the chat.
There's a
Only
handful of you that I care about. There's some of you who
You can give a fuck about.
Oh, we're dumping.
I don't care about. I'll be honest.
Stendhal's gonna come back and be like, oh.
What are you saying? Yes.
Yo, I might exit it, you know.
But it's your own fault that I don't care about you. You do it to yourself.
Oh my god.
Yo, I'm back. Why
Here's
do
what
I
it
see
is.
green again?
I'm in a meeting on Zoom
Why
for
do I
work,
see green?
and I haven't paid attention at all. If they ask what I talked about, I'm not gonna have a clue.
Should I go away from what time?
Bad opening, guys. Bad opening.
That was me
Oh,
pretty
but
much every
it's
class.
a bad open though. That's only.
You know what, boys? I'm gonna close it here, man.
Yeah, I'm happy
Yeah,
with
same,
that.
same,
MT,
same.
you
I'm
here
out,
still?
Yeah, I
Tiki,
just came
Tiki,
back. I
close
just came
Close that
back.
shit.
Close it,
TP
close it.
hit.
TP hit. Let's go.
Watch
Hit,
this dump now.
boys.
Yeah,
Let's go, boys.
man, third time I just come back, TP hit, amazing.
Yeah, amazing. Amazing.
You know what I'm
Leave
gonna
it.
do,
Leave
boys?
your consumer off.
You know what I'm
Damn
gonna do
it.
here, chat? I'm gonna
Yeah.
stop
What
this
chat?
break even.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
What?
close full.
Yeah,
but
Rene.
if I
I-
see you in
W's,
the
W's,
Zoom calls,
boys.
W boys, W.
This bitch gonna dump, yeah.
Bro,
Hey,
it is
Oh, it's
fucking.
dumping, bro. Oh my god.
It's gonna grab the liquidity from 37.
Brother says it's dumping. You moved down 5 pips.
Yes.
After we closed.
Bro,
You
this
guys
would
are-
be
You
profit.
guys are so
Profit.
volatile.
Mofo.
You guys are
You
more
moved
volatile
down.
than
happens when
gold.
you
Bud,
spend all day
Bud,
watching
it moved
gold.
down 5 pips after we closed. Oh, it's dumping.
And the same when you were in drawdown. They're like, oh, it's pushing. Fuck.
Exactly. You moved up 5 pips.
Yeah, he moved 5 minutes like, damn, we're
No,
cooked.
they're not stoic at all, you know?
20 pips is 20 pips, man. Okay. Shit day today. Is
Bucks
what
is
it is.
20 bucks.
We'll
Well,
come
I
back
got-
tomorrow, man.
I got 150 pips.
That's it.
today, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
right. Shit it. Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Yeah, right. And
Yeah, right.
Boys,
You
I
know
told
what
you.
you
Listen,
did?
I don't care about how much money I make. I'm upset that we as a team we lost.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm done. What?
Yeah.
2.5k
See
still.
Like
Well,
I'm happy
how-
Josh made money. I'm happy Wabs made money, but collectively we all lost. So I'm not happy about today.
Our median average is
Yeah,
like
it's
everyone
We
net
is
break
lost
even.
today.
Like,
Yeah.
median
QTC's
average
on
break
break even.
Like some people, like Morpho took trades by himself. I think he's in profit or break even. Wabs took trades by himself. He's in profit.
Yeah.
Josh by himself in profit. But the trades we took together, we didn't do well. So I'm not happy.
That's how it is.
Yeah.
That's
All right, guys. It was a nice.
Time to go for Warzone and
let's
maybe
go.
some Warzone signals. Who knows?
Who knows?
All right,
what's
guys.
gonna
Have a good
happen.
day. See you guys tomorrow early.
Peace.
Peace, peace, peace.
You know.
Alright, boys. Hop on Warzone. Bogard, have a nice stream.
Alright. I'll see you boys
Take
tomorrow.
care, stream.
Take care.
Alright.
Are you still streaming, Bard?
Yeah.
Oh, Bard, can
Are
you do
gonna
that thing for
do
me?
a Zoom link?
Do the what?
Can you do that thing for me?
What's that?
Do the thing.
Did you see my message?
Oh yeah,
What
yeah,
thing?
yeah. I'll do it.
Okay.
I'll check with them. Frustrating. Parts, nothing happened here. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. It's frustrating, chat. It is a frustrating price action. Let's keep quiet. I want to hear my boss. He asks, I'm gonna say. Hey, tell your boss you're doing more important shit. Chaos? Yeah, Zoom calls are always chaos. Did you and SA meet? SA basically was a part of the community before. And then, yeah, he was just sending a bunch of good trades. And I noticed that he knew how to trade. And then he messaged me and asked if he could cover for London session. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I said, all right, let me see if you know how to trade. And then we did like a test run for a week where I was just seeing if he knew what he was talking about, and he did perform. After that, I just said, all right, hop on board. That's pretty much how it went. Exactly. He's look, I'm even still coming to work, right? He should be thankful. Assalamu alaikum, bar bro. Alaikum salam, Creed. How you doing, man? What did Trader SA say about Bitcoin? Just scroll back on the video. I don't. He said something about the Monday being breaking above the Monday lows and Monday mid. I don't know. Just scroll back on the video and check his analysis. I don't know. I'm not a pro at Bitcoin, so I don't know. I don't want to mess anything up. I'm late. Did you take any trade in gold today? No, no trade today. I haven't gotten any opportunities. Are they gonna send a Zoom link? I'll send a Zoom link if you guys want. I'm late. Did you take any? Okay. I listen to the stream in my pocket while I'm at work, so it's easier on Zoom. Okay, I see. Alright, yeah, I'll send the Zoom link. For anybody, for you guys that want to join. We'll get a good sell trade if you close below 40. Yes, I agree. I have my zone there as well. If you close below 40, should see a pretty good sell. That area. Either above 40, either above around 46, 47, or below 41. 41, 40. Around those areas should be pretty good for sells. It's still ranging here, and I think it's going to range for a bit. But I do see us pushing up here. I do see us pushing up one last time to break the highs. Or driving down. Looking for buys above 46? Yes, I am looking for buys above 46. It's very slow. Yeah, unfortunately today we got low volume. Low volume, chat. But hey, that's trading, right? We'll wait. We'll wait, and when we get opportunity, we'll take it. We can't force anything, right? We'll let the opportunities come to us. We don't chase them. Technically, you should push and buy. Buys would be good above 47.7, but it close below 47 would get. Yeah, exactly. I agree. Technically, I think still should push up a bit. But even if we don't push up and push down, we're still gonna capitalize on opportunity, right? We're not fixed on like, oh, we need to have this or I won't do anything, right? We do what the market tells us. So if the market tells us sells, we take sells. If the market tells us buys, we take buys. Alright guys, I have to go work out. Took a few losses today, learned about overtrading, that some days we can't trade. See you, Bardo. See you, bro. And yeah, it's a good lesson you learned there about overtrading. A lot of people fall into that trap. A lot of people. Way too many people fall into that trap. Realize when it's your time to go. Realize when it's your time to stop trading, when you've had enough. Can't force trades, can't force the money. It's all about patience. Patience and discipline, chat. Patience and discipline will take you wherever you want to go. Right now, we're staying patient, we're staying disciplined, we're not impulse entering, and we're just waiting for our position. Either below 40 or above 46. Buy limits, no buy limits. I don't think we should have buy limits at the moment. I'm not gonna look for buy limits. If I want to take buys, it'll be below at around 22, 21 areas. That's where I'll have my next buy limits. Possibly can get a 4-hour flip also. Very ranging. Very rangy. On the 5 minutes. Can't really... We do need to... Like, gold hasn't decided on where it wants to go yet. So if gold hasn't decided itself where it wants to go, how are you going to be able to decide where it wants to go? Cannot predict somebody that hasn't made a decision. So far, the gold hasn't made a decision yet, therefore we can't predict. Any chance the daily flips? Where's the flip? Flip is at... No. No. The daily will not flip. There's no way the daily will flip. If it wants to flip, the daily will have to push almost 200 pips until market close, right? With basically zero volume. So I really don't think the daily will flip. Hello, how are you, trader brother? I'm good, bro. How are you? I'm just fine. I'm just waiting for the market to give me my opportunities. And I'm just waiting. I know it's a little boring, but that's just trading, chat. Trading is boring, chat. Trading is boring. Oh, all right, coming down here. We'll hear some echo. All right, we're coming down here, chat. Price is slowly pushing down, slowly making its way down, but it is pushing though. It is pushing. Let's see if we can break the lows. That's a new 30. New 30 has a very small top wick. That's a new hourly as well. Currently, the new hourly has a very small top wick. And it's just tapping down at that support level, and likely it will most likely flip. I still see gold pushing up though, chat. I still see like gold pushing up. The only way I'd change my bias is perhaps if we come and close below 40, then I'll change my bias to sells. But right now I still think gold is pushing up because you have made some sort of a trend right here, right? What is your name? My name is Bard. Bard, do you consider a 5-minute fair value gap something crucial? No. I don't consider 5-minute time frame at all unless I'm managing a position or looking for a pinpoint entry. But no, I don't consider the 5-minute. Hold on, I'm gonna just use the restroom. I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay. Let us see now. If you come down and break the lows, should be pretty straight push to 38. 40 to 38 is gonna be a straight push. All right, let's see now, chat. All right, we're dumping here. I think we should be pretty good to come down. Yeah. It's unfortunate that we have the closure is so far away. Which is really unfortunate. Right, so we might overshoot here. My fear is we're gonna overshoot and just fill the range immediately within one candle, because we're so early into the candle, the 15 and the 30. Only 6 minutes has gone by, so yeah. Ideally, you'd want the push to happen right before the candle closes, so you'd be more likely to get a closure below. In this case, for example, we'd want this to be, 4 minutes left for the 30 or 4 minutes left for the 15, so we can get a closure below. But what's likely going to happen now is either you're going to reject here and then you're going to close respecting, or you're gonna just drive down with one candle. Either way, we can't take a position in that case. One is just a closure back into range. The other one is just an overshoot, overshot. All right, 30-minute broke its previous low. It should be pretty simple push here. Now it goes down, yeah. What a bummer. To take the position or no? I have to wait for a closure. I can't take the position off of one candle. I have to wait for a closure. But I said below 40 should be a pretty easy push. But that's just what I believe the market's gonna do. Not necessarily, doesn't necessarily mean it's a confirmation to take a sell. Right? There's a difference between I could tell you guys what I think the market is gonna do and how I think the market's gonna react, and I can tell you guys what would be a confirmation for me to enter a position. There's a difference between those two. Big difference. Or we might actually get a closure below, chat. We might actually get a closure below. Let's see. If we get a closure below, it should be pretty decent position. Bard, what's a car you think you could realistically own in the future? Probably a Porsche 911 is probably the car that I'd look to own within the next year or 2 years. So yeah. Otherwise, I know. Okay, so listen, I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this, but one car that I will own is also a BMW i8. You guys might say, "Oh, that's a car." But listen, I fucking love that car. I fucking love that car. Okay, I don't know why. I just have such a strong feeling for that car. Heads up, you're already streaming for 3.5 hours. Damn, we've been live for that long? Alright, I guess we'll wait for the next 30 closure. If the next 30 closure doesn't give us a thing, we'll call it a day and we'll come back tomorrow. My dad is an i8. Ooh, dude, your dad is a lucky man. Amazing daily, yeah. I love the i8. Plus, it's a four-seater, hybrid. It looks good. I just love that car so much. Sure, it's not the sportiest car. It only has like 370 horsepower. Not the sportiest car in the world, but again, 370 horsepower is more than enough for a car. If it wants to be a daily driver, sure. If you want to go crazy, then it's different. But it's a Kuro vibe wrapped as well. Oh damn. Yeah, beautiful car, man. Beautiful fucking car. But if I'm talking like car that I'd like to, I think it would be fun to drive, it's probably a Porsche 911 Turbo S. The seat at the back is too small to be considered a four-seater. Really? Ah, damn. Hey, at least if you can fit somebody there. Like, it's nice because it's a car you can have the boys in, right? You can sit with your boys there. It's a car, like, that's more important to me almost. Like, being able to sit in the car with my boys, almost, like that's very important to me. The two-seater is nice, but drive around before a daily, I like the i8. Hello, Bard, you joined. Have you taken out any trades today? No, I have not taken a single trade today. Not driven a Turbo S, but the Smash 911 is a good car to drive. For me, a bit too safe, like an edge when driving. Oh, that's the standard 911s. The Smash 911, what the fuck does that even mean? The standard 911 is a good car to drive. For me, it's a bit too safe, like an edge when driving. Really? Damn. For me, anything rear wheel drive is low key fun. Yeah. When the back end kicks out, yeah, after a curve, the back end kicks out, and you press the gas right after the curve. Yeah, hard to beat that feeling. But yeah, I agree. I've never driven a 911 though, so I don't know how they feel. Trip to my old car after got rid off. Oof. Long day. But yeah, then I think the 911 is probably like, because okay, let's say I have a, if I ever got like a super sports car, like a McLaren or something like that, and I'm sure I'd probably, in the future, I'd probably get one. But I'd never, okay, like, you guys know that I'm crazy. I almost killed myself and all of my friends in a Ford Fiesta 2009. Karen has one issue, build quality shit. Yeah, I've heard that. I've heard it's like a toy. Yeah, I've driven a Ferrari 488. I've driven a Lamborghini Huracan, and I like the Ferrari much more than the Lamborghini. Really want to own an M8 or just 8 Series. Yeah, those are also good daily drivers. Like those are daily drivers. I'm talking fun cars. And I think a Porsche is like the best middle between fun, performance, and like luxury as well. Portofino was fun. Ooh, I can imagine. I can imagine. Bugatti Chiron. Okay, relax. Let's not get ahead of ourselves now. How rare is it to see American car like Dodge Camaro? But not rare at all. You see them everywhere in Sweden. People love Swedish people love American cars. We have a lot of Mustangs. We have a lot of Dodge. But we don't have, like, we have those cars like the lower end, but we don't have a lot of, for example, SRTs. We don't have those types of cars. But we do have a lot of older Mustangs. Dodges. Oh, chat. Oh, Chad, we can't take this because it's a 15 no-wick play. Damn, Chad. It is a very tempting position, I ain't gonna lie. Very tempting position, Chad, but we can't take it because it didn't quite close below 40. It closed at 40.5. So we can't quite take it, unfortunately. But yeah, it is a very tempting position for sure. We gotta stay disciplined. We can't have FOMO either. So if this flips now, no FOMO. But we have learned a lesson. and that is we don't take 15 no-wicks plays. Yeah, this is most likely gonna flip, right? Most likely gonna flip. Height probably that will flip, but they're quite close below where I wanted to close. Also, the 30 has a very small top wick. Yeah. We'll have to wait. This was the same type of structure, meaning the same structure as this, the same no-wick play, but on the 30 or the hourly would be an amazing play. But since it's the 15, it's not necessarily the best play to take. Even though it's like this play probably has an 80% chance of working out. Equity Edge going live again for $20 per 10k account. Yeah, man, dude, Equity Edge is so, like, all prop firms at the moment are so fucking, they're so iffy, they're so shady. Like, I knew something was up with Equity Edge in the beginning. There's a flip. Yeah, it flipped like a turtle. Slowest flip I've seen in my life. Alright, we might get a 30 closure below though, which is really nice. So we might get a position on the 30. What we think of instant accounts, no phases. There is value for dollar. I've never in my life heard of instant accounts. Do those accounts even pay out? Nah, that sounds too good to be true. I don't think instant accounts even, I don't think they exist. If they do, be very wary, because anything that sounds too good to be true, chat, is probably not true. Instant fund, their cost, it would look good. Yeah, exactly. Weird how they would let you risk their money without testing you. Exactly. I don't know. Thought we were done for the day. We are pretty much done for the day. I'm just waiting for this last 30 closure to see if we can get something. And if this 30 closure doesn't give us something, then we'll call it a day and we'll come back tomorrow. 1 hour. Or still has time to flip.
It will go up or down now, gold?
I have no idea, Standal. I have no idea. I have to wait for some closures outside of ranges. I have to wait for gold to confirm its direction. But right now, I don't know. I still think we're gonna come up on the higher time frames, a little higher, but yeah, we'll have to wait and see. Could potentially get a wick click here, chat.
We click up.
Yeah, wick click up. If the 30 closes respecting 41, and you come down and just break this low, I'll happily take some buys at around 38.
Famous last words. But I have a sell from quite far up. I think should I close it or be happy? I set it break even at least. And
Where's your sell?
It's 1 hour ago. So
Which price?
1 hour. I have to open.
Oh, 1 hour ago. Okay, so 44.
That was wrong account. $45.76 sell.
45.76 sell.
At least stops break even. We can agree on that.
Yeah, for sure. That we can agree on.
Yeah.
Stop loss or break even. I'd probably put stop loss or break even there, and
I see target is 2320, but that's was little like theoretical, like Don Wu.
yeah,
Stop loss.
2320 is a little optimistic.
But I think we will reach there.
Me too.
Before we go.
I think we'll reach it, but the thing is, you might get tapped out
We
first.
need more. Yeah, we need more liquidity. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, yeah. Capiche.
But I mean, if you're up 40-50 pips, I mean, that I would be happy with that position, especially because you're tapping a rejection area.
So just close it then.
I would, if I was up 40-50 pips.
I close half, okay?
Okay, that sounds good. But if I was up 40-50 pips and tapped into a rejection area, I'd be more than happy to close at least half. No need to be greedy.
Did you hear it? No.
No.
Closed half.
Good.
No.
BTC liquidity grab done. BTC liquidity grab. Yeah. Bitcoin looks really good to come up. I think this was what SA was talking about. Yeah, he was talking about liquidity grab to the downside, and then after you should be able to take some buys above the what did they say, Monday lows or something like that? Or Monday mid? No volume, yeah, really low volume here. You know, chat, a 30-minute closure above 41 would be very nice for us to take buys at 38. Closure above, break of the lows, grab liquidity, push up. Basically, grab liquidity to grab liquidity. Right, grab
It's
liquidity.
like Pac-Man.
Yeah, right. Just searching for the liquidity to eat. Chasing liquidity.
Yummy, yummy.
To win for them
You're
regardless.
not on Zoom now, yeah? You're not on the streaming now.
Yes, I am.
Okay, sorry then.
No, no.
I'm driving, so I didn't know.
Oh, no worries, no worries. No worries.
I will behave.
Yeah, this is not SA Zoom, you know?
Yeah, it can get some a bit chatty, but it's fun, as you said. But it's a little annoying because we can talk a little about it. But when guys start to say, "Oh, we hit stop loss," and
Yeah,
they shouldn't comment so much on asset trades, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean,
Listen to the.
it's too much fun, right? I'm all about the fun, and I've also had a really fun in the Zoom calls, but it's too much fun. Sometimes you lose track of why you're actually there.
Yeah, people should. I will do tomorrow some monologue and say that, fuck you guys. I'm not here to listen about your noobs trading. I'm here for listening to the El Capitan.
Yeah, right. 25.5 or 33 would be good TP. 5.5. Yeah, 25.5 is a really good area. I agree. I remember we had last time we came to 25, we had right at 25. Right there we had our buy limits. Last time. They're really nice. But I do think the next time you come to that area, I have a hard time thinking you're going to reject right at 25 again. You might actually come down to around 22 first. Yeah. Let's see, we have a 30-minute closure in 2 minutes, chat. Let's see if we can retrace and close respecting. That would be amazing. Or if we close below and get a top wick with no bottom wick, we'll also enter that. If we don't get any of those, then we'll just call it a day. You know when people comment doing SA trades affects people's emotions? Some earlier, yeah, that's completely right. Check Discord for a second, please. Ooh. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that next time. Because right now I need to focus on this potential trade that we're getting.
I exited all my cells now, so.
Okay, that's good.
You are looking for buys now?
I'm looking for sells now because we're about to close below range. Looking for sells down to around 37. But I need a top wick first.
Okay, I'll pull over and be ready. So we're looking for a top wick then and then enter?
Yeah. Look for a top wick to around 41 areas. All right, 12 seconds here, chat. See, we might get a top wick first. Hopefully we get a top wick first. If we do that, we'll enter. Let's hope we don't get a bottom wick. Fortunately, we got a bottom wick, chat. You'll still fill the range down, but it's not a confirmation I want. Right? You would still be able to enter cells here, anywhere. And you'll probably be good, but it's not the confirmation I want. It's not the playbook, so I'm not going to take it. So yeah, Standal, you can continue your trip wherever you were going.
Okay. I'm driving and trading now, looking at the price, looking for a entry. This is like hazard driving.
Yeah.
Couldn't do it.
Hi guys, I was at the gym for the last 2 hours. Did I miss anything or waiting for the... No, we didn't miss anything. We're still waiting for a position, or we've waited enough where I'm about to end the stream. So thank you guys so much for watching the stream. Glad to finally be back. This time we'll just focus on the playbook. We'll focus on catching the best possible trades we can, and we'll do this until probably end of June, when I'll go on vacation. Yeah, appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. All right, take care, everybody.